up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play the classic Mustang Sally. Wilson Pickett. Many people covered this song, but he wrote it. Alright, so to make it simple, let's put a capo on 3rd fret, please. 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna have some nice open 7 chords. Alright, so we only have 3 chords. A7, 2nd finger on the D string, 3rd finger on the B. To D7, 1st finger on the B, 2nd finger G, and 3rd finger high E. And then 3rd chord we have a E7. 1st finger G, 2nd finger A. Alright. And the strumming is mostly downstrokes. Make it a little more fun, instead of just hanging on the A like the A7 like that. Let's do a hammer on it if we can. D7. Do the same thing there. Back to A7. E7. And then we break on the D7. Three verse. D7. Back to A7. E7, and break on the D7. 1, 2, 3. One more time, come on. Not too hard, right? Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll be back tomorrow with more videos. Stay safe. Thanks.